Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. The SUI chart at the moment is likely working on a wave 2 pullback in the yellow scenario. Technically speaking, we could still be working on an internal fourth wave in this larger degree third wave, which is the direct pathway higher. But I think I will probably remove this scenario from the chart. Seems like we're going for that larger wave 2 correction as most other cryptocurrencies are doing as well. So SUI is following their other charts that are also in either a wave 2 or a wave B correction, which are normally quite deep, especially because many of these charts that we are tracking have actually formed a 5-wave move to the upside from the April low. So this is one of the cleanest 5-wave movements to the upside that I have seen in charts in recent weeks, but there are some other ones that formed 5 waves up. And typically after a 5-wave advance, we would expect a 3-wave decline. And there are typical, or let's say ideal parameters, yeah? There are ideal parameters that we are normally tracking after a 5-wave move up has formed to prepare for the pullback, and also so that we have some, let's say, parameters for the correction. Yeah, that we have some parameters for the correction and actually for risk management as well. So the support area is located between $2.09 and $3.04. We have now reached this support area, or nearly reached, pretty much, yeah, nearly touched it. So the question is, has this wave 2 already bottomed, or what do we actually need to see in order to become short-term bullish again? Don't get me wrong, the analysis is based on a bullish assessment of the chart. I mean, we have seen a 5-wave move up. If you watched our tutorials, if you follow our analysis, then you know that a 5-wave move to the upside indicates that actually the trend is up and that the bulls are trying to really push higher. And therefore, we are tracking, obviously, 5 waves up and 3 waves down. And then another 5-wave move up would be expected based on that. Okay, so let's take a look at the shorter time frame for SUI. And here we have been tracking this more complex correction. In the yellow scenario, I'm tracking this as a WXY structure. I do ignore this candle because it is only on Binance, and I assume it's a glitch on the exchange. We don't see it on other exchanges. So yeah, we're tracking here this correction, and the box, you see the support area, we just discussed that one. Let me actually adjust it slightly. I think on the daily time frame it sits a little higher. No, that's actually fine. So $3.03 to $2.09. We've now reached this zone. As I said, this could here still be an internal 4th wave pullback, but until I see a 5-wave move up, a micro 5-wave move up above initial resistance, there's absolutely no sign that a low is in. It seems to me that this internal C wave in wave Y of 2 might need another low. At least that is what I am tracking on several other crypto charts as well. And the initial resistance area is defined between $3.21 and $3.38. So as long as we stay below $3.38, the immediate pressure still seems downward. And if one more low forms, it could take the price here into the region around $2.72. I mean, that's quite far away from where we are now. But overall, that would be the next main Fibonacci level to watch. Any break above $3.38 would indicate that at least some kind of a local low has formed. But if we see a 5-wave move up above resistance, it could indicate a more substantial upside reversal attempt. And if we break above this B wave high at $3.75, that would be another signal that some kind of a larger recovery rally is unfolding. Maybe already a push to new highs, but then that will depend on the structure as well, and the momentum and the volume, and how we break above resistance. So we'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye bye.